I'm going to show you how to remove the post date in WordPress 2 different ways using only built-in settings, no plugins, no code. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, click Appearance in the left-hand menu, then when the submenu opens, click Editor. The site editor opens full screen, and this is where your theme's block templates live. Click Patterns in the left sidebar, then click Template Parts. If your theme has a separate post meta area, this is where it lives. Look for Post Meta or Post Details depending on your theme, and open it. If you don't see Post Meta here, your theme probably puts the date straight into the single post template instead. Inside Post Meta, you'll see a group of blocks for author, date, categories, and maybe comments. The post date block is usually a small calendar icon with the date text next to it. It may be buried in a row, and the block itself is small. I always open List View for this because it's faster than clicking around the canvas. Click the List View icon at the top of the editor. Find Post Date in the block list and click it to select the block. Once it's selected, click the three-dot menu on the post date block and choose Delete. The date disappears from the template part immediately. If you delete the wrong block by mistake, press Ctrl-Z to undo before saving. Be careful here, delete only the date block, not the whole post meta section, or you'll lose author and categories too. If you want to remove those as well, select each one separately. Before saving, if your theme shows a preview button in the top bar next to save with an eye icon, click it and choose preview in a new tab. That shows you a post without saving first, so you can confirm the date is really gone. Then come back and click save. WordPress asks you to confirm because this is a template part, so go ahead and confirm. Open one of your blog posts in a new browser tab. The date is gone. Because you edited a template part, this change applies to every post using that part, not just the one you opened. Check a couple of posts to confirm that, and shrink the browser down to check the mobile layout too, because some themes show the date only on one or the other. Now the second way, for themes where the date sits directly inside the single post template. This is the route I use when a theme doesn't have a separate post meta part. Head back to Appearance and click Editor, then click Templates. Look for single posts, or just single depending on your theme, and open it. This is the full layout for individual blog posts. You'll see the post title, the content area, and a meta row with author, date, categories, maybe comments. The date block may be nested inside a row or meta block, so open List View again to untangle it, click the List View icon, find post date in the list and click it. Then click the three-dot menu on the post date block and select Delete. The date block disappears from the template. Click Save. If WordPress asks you to confirm, do that. Open one of your blog posts and the post date should no longer appear. Check several posts to make sure the change is consistent. If you don't see Appearance and then Editor in your dashboard, your site is on a classic theme. In that case, go to Appearance and click Customize. Look for options named Blog, Posts, Single Post, Post Meta, or Content. If your theme has a built-in option to hide the date, disable the date or post date setting, then click Publish. Visit your blog post and check that the date is gone. The exact customizer options depend on your theme, and if there's no date setting in there, the no-code approach won't work. You'd have to use CSS or a plugin, but I'd skip that if you're following a no-plug, no-code workflow. Now for the obvious follow-ups. If you want the date gone from category and archive pages too, open the template screen again and edit the archive or category template the same way. If you don't see a post date block anywhere, your theme may be pulling the date through a larger block or template part, so use List View to see what's actually in the template. And if you only need to hide the date on one or two posts, don't use a template edit. That's site-wide by design. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe if you want more WordPress fixes, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push this to other people looking for the same thing.